So, one last time then. Good morning, Base 9.
Good morning, Mr. Blakemore and Miss Val. Good morning, everybody.
It is going to be a fantastic day today. So, although today is my last day teaching, one of the things I always do within a teaching day is train. Train probably about 5 to 6 times a week, either in the morning or in the evening. And I just find it's a good way of preparing me for the day that's ahead. So, let's go for it. So, school. Last day, wherever you are in the world, you'll have some sort of recall, some sort of memory of the last day of school. I wanted this to be a bit of a day in the life of a teacher, but today is not like any other day at all. So I can't really do it a day in the life of a teacher. I just want to show you what I get up to in my last day teaching. I've got some amazing things planned, but it's not going to be a normal day by any stretch. We're Base 9 and we're so fine. So I made my class this, and basically it's got me and a class photo on it so that I can share that with the class. So goodie bags made. I thought I'd just make something for them for sort of like the end of term. So inside here is the picture that I just showed you, and we've also got little pens. These are the marker pens, so they can sort of write on the tops. Pens, lollies, and loads of sweet things in there too. So one last time then. Good morning, Base 9.
Good morning, Mr. Blakemore and Miss Val. Good morning, everybody.
It is going to be a fantastic day today.
Surely you turn that into a room, mate. I don't know how to do it. I don't want to mess with it, mate. Quiet, man. I'll stop talking because this is
Leaving us today. And one of the biggest changes is they hardly ever get into assemblies. Hardly ever. She's Bauer. She's always in the nursery, and every time she tries to get out into assembly, the kids are always grabbing her by her dress and saying, "Don't leave us." So she never gets in here. Mr. Tyler, he's always in the car park with the walkie-talkie. Playing the policeman going, "Hey there, Mr. Osborne." So he never makes assemblies. And Mr. Blakemore, his class will tell you this, he's always in his cupboard. He's got a big mirror in his cupboard. He's always going, "Is that right?" So, ready, steady, go.
My time is so loose.
These three, as we said, are all going on new adventures. It's been brilliant working with you every minute today, I've learned. Bauer, she's going to a far off place, millions of miles away from here, called Itsu. How about it? It's going to be a science technician. That's the word. Science technician. So she's working with spotty teenagers. Big teachers. Mr. Tyler is going off to be fantastic foster dad. He's one of those already, but he wants more time with that. That's obviously for important kids as well. Mr. Blakemore is going somewhere not as scary as it, so he's going to Dubai, so he's going on a plane. Hot conditions, very different. Very different. But we're hoping over the next few months, certainly years, the three of them will come back and let us know how they got on and share some of their adventures with us.
So today so far has been absolutely brilliant. I've been to an assembly where I got stood up and had to have a floss off with some children, as you've probably just seen, and then also did part of a staff dance, and the kids went absolutely crazy. So after that we went over to the other side, which is the year 1, 2 side, and let the year 6s say goodbye to their brothers and sisters and some of the staff who had taught them throughout the years. So loads of other things going on throughout the afternoon. I think this afternoon, as most last days go, we're going to put some films on. I asked my class what they want to watch, and they're going for Pingu, Fireman Sam and Yogi Bear, and a video on how to make chicken nuggets. So it is the end of the year, and you are all amazing individuals who I know have fantastic futures ahead of you. And I mean that, because you've all worked exceptionally hard this year, gone from here way up to here, and I know that you're going to do absolutely brilliant. So make sure you try and keep in touch with me. I'll still have YouTube, because I'd love to be able to say, like, I'm going to see you in the future, but for now, I'm not sure I am. So you guys are going to do really well. Make sure you work really hard at your secondary school. You'll meet some amazing people, some amazing teachers, and I know you will be fantastic. So, just about finished my final day in Hollingswood Primary School. I'm not going to lie, it's been an absolutely crazy day, to be honest. So, this is it. In the classroom for the last time. And yeah, the next time I'm in a classroom, it will be somewhere hot, Dubai. So, make sure that you keep in touch, make sure that you follow the vlog, subscribe down in the corner, because I'll be making sure that I post lots and lots about that. And if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you like it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm out.